Hey guys, welcome to another episode of The Hungry Camper with Bear and Corey. All right, now you can go. Where you stay right there. Today we're going to have a little bit of a new design on a great staple of camp food, which is Smashburgers. My Smashburger is going to be a little bit different, so stay tuned. You're going to want to see this. Okay, so the secret ingredient in my Smashburgers, I'm going to put a little bit of sausage in them. Not a whole lot, but just enough to really get some flavor in there. So, got some Williams Country sausage here today, and it's the mild because I'm going to be feeding my wife today, so can't really go spicy with her. All right, so got your hamburger meat in here, got your sausage. I want to mix it all together really good. So just kind of start smashing it together. Once you get it all smashed together, you want to make some balls out of it. All right. Now you want the balls to be about the size that they'll fit the palm of your hand, about like that. So there you go. Smell that sausage. That sausage smells good. Right, so once we get the new little patty rolls done, I'm going to put them in a bowl, and then I'm going to wash my hands. So hang on. Now on mine, I'm going to put some jalapeno. So I'm going to dice a little jalapeno up here. I'm going to dice my onion. So we'll give me some dice and slices here. I'm jumping out there already. That ought to be plenty for what we're doing. All right guys, so I'm in my shop today. No camping. It is freaking cold outside. And I was going to go camping last night. Got to looking at the weather. Where I was wanting to go camping at, it was going to be down in the teens. Just wasn't going to do it. So anyway, I'll be making my meal here today in my shop. Got my onions chopped up, got my pepper chopped up, got a tomato sliced, got my burgers done. We're ready to start grilling. Oh yeah, looking good. So while we're waiting on this, tell me in the comments, what do you like to have when you go to camp for lunch or for breakfast, dinner, whatever it might be, even a snack. I started getting a little char on my peppers there, and that is the sweet spot. That's where I like them. So if you like a little char, you just gotta be careful, make sure that you don't burn them. Okay, so pretty much got the onions where we want them to be. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. I'm gonna get my buns toasted up, and then we're gonna start cooking the burgers. Now for this part of it, for your buns, there's different ways to fancy up your bun and all that stuff. For me, the easy way, the way I like it, just good old-fashioned butter and garlic. Pretty simple. You don't need a lot of butter. Just get it on there. Kind of get your little garlic on it. You don't need to just overdo it with garlic. Just coat it a little bit. Get your buns. Put them down on there. Toast them. You hear my dogs. There must be something, must be a squirrel outside. All right, once you think you got your one side toasted enough, go ahead and flip it over on the back side if you want. Let's go ahead and get a little extra toast on it. Yeah, that's looking good. Absolutely. There we go. All right, looking good. Now at this point is where I'm going to get my onions back up on the tray. And I'm going to take my peppers out for the burger that I'm going to eat anyway. I'm going to mix them up with that. Then I'm going to put my meat out on top of that, smash it in real good, get our burgers going. Watch this. And remember, you're going to put the burger on here. The burger is going to be in a little ball. Then you're going to smash it down into your onions and your peppers and whatever else you got on here. All right, there we go on that. Now when you get to this part, make sure you got a good smasher ready to go, and you need some wax paper also. And the bear tacks. Give her a good smash. All right, so you got it cooking on that side. Let's get it flipped over. I'm going to take these onions that have flipped off. I'm going to move them out here to where I can put the burger right over on top of them. That's just the excess. You can see the other onions are actually inside the patty right now. Now this is where it's going to go kind of fast, so you got to be ready to move with it. First thing you want to do is put your pepper jack cheese on top of it. I use deli sliced pepper jack cheese. Get it on both buns. Make sure you get the little cheese wax paper off of it. You're gonna have to trust me on how I know that. At this point, get your cheese melted a little bit better. You get your hood put over the cup, a couple of them. Let that get going really well. You got it good right there. Go ahead, put it over there. Put it over there. Move the other two in. Get them good and melted. There we go. That's what it looks like after you let it melt a little bit. Get the bear tacks over here. Get that cooking for him. All right, now the good part. You can use mayonnaise, mustard, whatever you want on yours. We're going to use mustard on ours. Get a little mustard dabbed on there. Rub it in real good. Get your burger. Slap it on there. Get your second bun. Slap it on top. Now, if you want to add lettuce, tomato, all that good stuff to it, go for it. I had a tomato I was going to put on it, but I decided not to use it. So, just going to go burgers. That's really all you need on this. So, have that turned the wrong way. There you go. So there it is. Time to eat. Well, I don't know what I did with the footage showing me actually eating the burger, so you don't get the privilege of seeing that tonight. I'm sure that's making your heart broken. Anyway, here's some great videos that I put out also. Got a great campfire chili and the good old Two Fat Guys stir fry. So check those videos out. Get out and explore. Stay hungry, and we'll see you on the next video.